Core Signature lets you send documents for electronic signatures simply and securely. Signers can sign the document from anywhere and on any device without the need to sign up for an account or download an app. With Core Signature, sending a document for signatures is simple. Select the document you want to send for signatures. Then select a signer. Add a signature field to the document. You can also add date and text entry fields or checkboxes if you need them. If you have multiple signers, you can customize the signature order. You can also request that the signers return attachments with their signature. You can require a password for an extra layer of security. Personalize the message and click Send. Signing a document with Core Signature is simple too. Each signer receives an email with a link. They won't need to register or log in, just click the link and add their signature. When you open a document to sign it, an arrow guides you through any required fields that you need to complete before signing and dating the document. Click the signature field to sign. You can type your name, draw your own signature, or upload an image. Then confirm your signature and you're done. After the document is signed, both the sender and the signer receive an email with a link to the signed document. Core Signature creates a signing log for every document. It includes secure algorithm keys to verify the authenticity of the data and signatures. You can also see who opened the document and when they signed it. Core Signature has a template builder that lets you easily customize even the most complex forms. Add the fields you want to the document. Customize the signing requirements by changing the type of signature that's needed or by requesting attachments. Personalize the email message and save. When you use a template, it's simple. Just add the signers and click Send. No matter how many documents you send for signing, Core Signature makes things simple for senders and signers, without sacrificing the security and audit trail that businesses need.